Magandang araw! Welcome to Danny and Carol's Kitchen! Today we're gonna cook authentic Korean japchae! At first, let us blanch the spinach for 2 minutes. We would like to thank Tita Kati for helping us with this recipe. Now, let us squeeze the spinach to remove the water. Then add half teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Then mix it well. For the next step, we need to soak 1/4 kilo of glass noodles in warm water to make it soft. Next step, we need 300 grams of samgyeopsal beef, 5 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 stalk of chopped onion chips. For the other ingredients, we need the following: half cup of carrots, 1 chopped onion, half cup of bell pepper, half cup of shiitake mushroom, and scrambled egg sliced into strips.
Yun naman, let's marinate our samgye beef. Let's add 5 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 stalk of chopped onion chives. Huwag niyo po palang kalimutang ikat yung mga beef samgye nyo. I-mix lang natin itong mabuti. Pagkatapos, iset aside muna natin to habang nire-ready natin yung iba pang ingredients. Ngayon naman, papakuluin na natin yung glass noodles. This will take for about 8 minutes. Siguraduhin lang na chine-check nyo ito para hindi ito ma-overcook. Kalahati muna yung nilagay natin dito. Baka kasi mag-overflow yung noodles sa pan natin. Sa isa pang pan, niluluto naman natin yung kalahati ng glass noodles. Ayan, luto na. Para madali silang i-mix mamaya, ika-cut natin sila. Pagkatapos, lagyan natin ng mixture ng 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and sesame oil para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. Then, mix lang ulit and set aside. Ngayon naman, let's saute the other ingredients. Start tayo sa onions. Then, the shiitake mushrooms. Carrots. The bell pepper, and lastly, our marinated beef. Ito na po lahat ng ingredients. Mimix na natin sila sa ating glass noodles. maglagay lang tayo ulit ng soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar depende sa panlasa nyo. Optional na lang, naglagay pa ako ng sesame seeds. I-mix lang natin ito ulit. Ayan, heto na po ang ating authentic Korean japchae.
Thank you very much.